This is the B-Tour pushchair. Today I'll show you how to assemble it. These are the parts included in the set. Frame with basket, parent handle, front wheels, rear wheels, guardrail, 2-in-1 seat with safety harness, bottom element of the seat, hood. Accessories also included in the set: leg warmer, mattress, changing mat, bag with handles, cup holder, rain cover, mosquito net, and the travel system, that is Mink car seat and universal adapters. Now it's time for assembly. Place the handle into these openings on the frame until it clicks. All done. Next, unfold the pushchair frame. Release this side latch and pull the frame up until you hear a click. Next, affix the rear wheels. Place them into these openings on both sides of the frame. Now it's time for the front wheels. Slide them into these openings until they lock. These wheels swivel 360 degrees. To lock the wheels to drive straight, slide this lock down. If you want to disassemble the wheels, press these buttons and remove them. Now it's time to assemble the pram body. First, connect these two elements. The locking mechanism is secure when you hear a click. Thread the straps here on both sides and take them out underneath. Then, roll the material out and close the zipper. Turn the pram body over and position the brace. Thread these straps through it and secure using the snap fasteners. Now, clip the pram body to the pushchair frame facing away from the direction of travel. Put the mattress inside. All done. The guardrail can be used both with the pram body and the stroller. Affix it here. To remove it, press these buttons. Now it's time for the hood. Affix it using these guides. Slide the ends of the hood into them until they click. Fasten the two hook and loop closures in these spots. Fasten the snap fastener. You can open the zipper and extend the hood, and on warmer days, open the second zipper and use the breathable mesh panel. The straps on the sides of the pram body and footrest are to remain unsecured, but you can put them away. B-Tour is now ready for a walk. B-Tour is also ideal as a reliable stroller. To convert the pram body into a seat, first remove the mattress and affix the internal safety harness by threading it through all the layers of the seat here. Next, pull the safety harness out on both sides of the pram body and connect it. First the one behind the backrest, then under the seat. And finally under the footrest. Now just change the angle of incline by using this lever. You have 3 positions to choose from: lie flat, reclining and sitting. Affix the guardrail. All done. By pressing these 2 buttons simultaneously, you can remove the seat and change it to the forward-facing position so that your child has more interesting scenery. You can set the adjustable footrest in one of 2 positions. Just press the buttons on both sides and change the angle of incline. The footrest can also be widened. Just open this strap. To tailor the parent handle to yourself, just press these buttons on both sides and choose one of 4 positions. B-Tour features the convenient stop and ride brake. To engage it, press from the top. Use the safety harness whenever your child is in the stroller. First, connect the hip strap with the shoulder strap and then clip into the buckle. Also, remember to tailor it precisely to your youngster's height and age. The safety harness can be set at 2 different heights. When you want to open the safety harness, press this button. On cool days, you can use the leg warmer, which comes included in the set. Put it on and then secure it here. Next, wrap the end around the guardrail and affix it using the buttons on both sides. Place the rain cover on the pushchair and secure using the hook and loop closures. Put the mosquito net on and fasten using the buttons on both sides of the hood. You can hang the bag on the parent handle using the attached material straps with hook and loop closures. The set also includes a portable changing mat. Affix the cup holder on the right side of the pushchair. You can extend the basket by opening these hook and loop closures. The set comes with adapters. Place them into these openings in the frame until you hear a click. Affix the mink car seat from the set onto them. To remove the car seat, just press here, and then remove the adapters using these buttons. The seat cover may be hand washed. To remove the hood, first open the hook and loop closures. Press these buttons and slide it out from the guides on either side. Next, open the zippers on the bottom part of the pram body. Slide out the straps on either side and remove the mattress. Now, open the snap fasteners underneath the seat and remove the reinforcing insert. Finally, open the second zipper in the top part of the pram body and remove the cover. To replace it, perform all of the steps in reverse order. B-Tour is convenient to fold, transport and store. To fold the pushchair, first use these 2 buttons to remove the seat. Next, press the button on the right side. Then, pull on these levers on either side and fold the pushchair. The side lock will automatically engage. If you want the folded frame to take up even less room, unlock the wheels and collapse the frame using these buttons. That's all you need to know about the B-Tour pushchair. Enjoy your walk.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.